Babe.
Wow. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
Right in the sunshine. Oh, okay. That's right. You should have told me that you are coming.
Yeah, I wanted to surprise you. I'm doing good.
Like, come on, Kwasi, I'm going to the show. I'm sending me Kwasi the show. Like, many fun on the Kwasi, over hand, yeah, like, only.
Hey! Hajia Musume. Hello, bra.
Hi.
I won't teach you be curious for now.
No.
Hajia, that's where you will be back.
I know, boss.
And it is not done!
Which one, boss? Which work you give me? I do any work here, boss. Please, what have I done for you? You hold me like that. What have I done, boss?
Fast, you know Hajia. My time is running. My time is overdue. I need to go back to America. So what should I do now? You told me you're going to get this Hajia for me. So now what should I do?
Boss, please, I told you, say me and my Ghana, you are America. Just use this my technical mind. I told you, stop dressing basa.
Hey, you better stop. You told me you're going to get this girl for me. And now look at what you're saying. We always go out, we come back. We go and now we come. Helter skelter. Do you know avail? What do you mean?
So you go there, you use your costume is basa. You don't care. Who use costume tatanta and coffee? For me, I miss more Ghana. Say me see you so attend papa no for car wake up. Some of you are
Yeah. I swear to God. If you don't get this
hey, say Moasmo.
You better find a way to get this lady into this house. Or else.
Say, what the team asem? What the seven mess say? What the first
What
I know.
What have I done?
I don't done nothing. I know you don't have nothing. But I told you, just dress correct and use fresh car and enter this house. Open your open the other. Only the better consider. Now get Hajia. No, for say you know. Calm down. Use my brain. What the main use of Ghana for brain be? Na young coffee. Open mama. Ghana wunika you know when this guy you know sad dress the coffee move here say me na here say me na here who tete me mo asma we sana me asma ti me wu.
Hey man, you better listen. This should be your first and last warning. You better bring Hajia to this house. Else you see the other side of me. Do you understand?
I hear you, boss.
Do you understand?
I hear you, boss.
You better do that.
Offer a butcher by starting maybe the same yana. Aden. What then? At order your force. Oh, no, my doors were. Also, what the name of fee, a coffee or hair. Member from Meneska Kakra. Fauzy, what? Oh, come me, Bush, my move, what? Oh, family. I want to ask. Say, you say, you're going to be holding me say a day. Moasma, over Kumiana.
Mena mesumu kabimu mpaona ochira mekwai. Miri mini pediane mekira bebo bai.
I really like the way you are, okay? It's not like just coming for you and then dumping you, you understand? I believe you might be thinking one or two things about me, but don't worry. You're going to know me better and later, okay? So you don't need to worry yourself.
So where do you really stay? Because I went to the place I saw you the last time.
Yeah?
They're like, they've not seen you again since that day.
Okay. I want to check a friend over there, and he wasn't around, so I needed to come back to the house, and that is where I met you. But I live around. Just that I don't stay at home often. Okay.
But maybe I can come and visit you. Also, maybe this person chill.
The dog has to chase the bone. The bone is not supposed to chase the dog, okay? So I need to come to your place so that I could see how far you're doing, what's going on in the life of my better half, So for that matter, I need to come to you. So don't worry. At the right time, you're gonna know where I stay. You're gonna know who I am, and I think things are gonna be okay.
Okay. So when are you planning to come to my place?
Oh, just very soon.
Very soon.
Yes.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
If you wish, I
can come tonight.
Do you live with them?
That's the problem, but I'm staying with my sister. She's cool.
Another classic. I've been at the block. High life forever.
When me high, oh my cham baby mo. Me na me sumu kabi mo power na ocha me fine. My love you want to ya carry go. Me ni peri ane me krabe po bang. Me na me sumu kabi mo power na ocha me fine. Me ni peri ane me krabe po bang. Mami ame, ama manza unzemi.
Hello. Hey, how are you? I'm good. Please, I'm looking for Hajia.
Hajia. Oh, she's there.
She's around. Yeah. Okay, please.
Hajia!
Me sumu kabi mo power na ocha me fine.
Hajia!
Me ni peri ane me krabe po bang. Mami ame, ama manza unzemi ndio.
Hey! Wow!
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
Very nice one, Oh, okay. That's right. You should have told me that you are coming.
Yeah, I wanted to surprise you. I'm doing good. Is your sister around?
Hajia!
Yes! She's the one calling.
Hajia!
That's a fire.
Now when?
Watch your mom bunting.
Hey girl.
It's a fire.
Mayako. You can see me back with you. Coming from mother.
Is that your sister?
Yeah, this is my sister.
Wow, nice.
It's a fire.
Hi, small boy. Explain.
Yeah, I'm doing good.
Oh, okay. What's your chair, Biana? We are mom to take your small.
It's a fire. Please show me.
Nothing. And when?
No, say, like, come on, Kwasi, and come on, Kwasi, the show, I'm present me, Kwasi, the show. Like, many pana the Kwasi, rubber hand, yeah, like, only.
Hey! Hajia Musume. Hello, bra.
Hi.
I won't see a chair be kiosk for now.
No.
Hajia, that's the way you will be back.
Ya to pie ya over rush no because I phone man on every na you trying to name for guy. Say.
in your voice over. You would have say I must what now, see, 2,000 and no machine. Who will smile? But they go voice over the animal.
Let's say you know no more talk me.